Hello guys, so I'm starting this vlog a lot later than I normally would. It's like 6:30 already because of daylight savings. It's still light outside. I've made a couple of videos today. I just woke up from a nap with Elise and it was really nice. But I probably should have vlogged a bit more because tonight's the last night that the kids are going to be here. So Ethan goes to bed in like half an hour and I haven't got any footage of him, so that's why I'm starting it now. But yeah, I've been having a relatively lazy day today. Ethan's hanging out with me on the couch, doing cute things as always. Yeah, and you serve yourself? Look at the funny faces he pulls. You're so cute. Yes. The last puppy went to his new home today, so that's sad. It was Talia's favourite puppy, so she was a bit upset and that was sad. But I think my sister is keeping the puppy with a heart murmur, so he's still hanging around. I think he's a little bit lonely, so it sucks for him, but yeah, hopefully he's not lonely for long. So excuse any noise in the background. Ethan's doing loud kid stuff, but I decided not to go to the movies today. Elise and I might actually go tomorrow once everyone's gone home. Everyone's going home tomorrow. It's going to be really weird for me to be alone, to not have all these people around, because besides for a couple of days when Brandon was at Emma's house, I've had people over here for weeks now on end. It'll be good, but at the same time it'll be bad. I think I'll get a lot more work done that way though. He's sitting there shirtless, eating dinner and being really messy, as usual. Huh? Tap for me?
Yeah, you want me to do it?
Okay.
What?
You gave us half each.
Okay.
Look at the shadow all on your face. Later. SpongeBob. Who is it? SpongeBob?
SpongeBob.
So it's not Peppa.
Huh?
So we're probably just going to watch a movie tonight. I haven't chosen one yet. Hopefully it's something good. We'll see. I'm bored though. Ah, look who's coming up the slide. So cute how he climbs it. They're so little. Alright. Come on. Almost at the top. Excuse the dog barking. Ready, steady, go! Whoa, good boy. Was that fun? More. Wants to go up again. Look how happy he is. I'd love to be a child again. Alright, ready, steady, go! Go! Woohoo! Good job, buddy. No more. Come on, no more. Ethan's so cute. It sucks that they're going home. Look at him. Look at his little face. He's going again. Go on. Full of such excitement. Alright, ready, steady, go! Good boy. Alright, we're on your side now. Bye-bye. Bye. See ya. It's such a nice night out tonight, and Elise is home. I showed her before, but she wouldn't let me use the clip because she was eating. So hi Elise, how are you? She was eating a veggie burger and she was eating normally, but she said I can't use the clip, so. Hello again. Hi Buster. He's going home tomorrow. And I don't know where Princess is. Oh, and then there's Missy in the fence. Talia went to the doctor today, and because of going underwater in the pool, she's got some sort of infection. So someone can't swim. Well, she can't put her head under the water, but she can like get in the pool. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. It's very peaceful, or sort of, besides for all the noise. So this is the puppy that has the heart murmur, and he doesn't have a name yet, but I'm sure he will soon. But he's very cute. Look at his big ears. You're adorable, little boy.
He wants to see what he's doing.
And then Ethan's wearing a clean nappy on his head as a hat. He's about to go to bed. I've been waiting around for hours because I wanted to say goodnight to Ethan. He didn't end up even going to bed because he went in the car with my mum and my sister to pick up some other car or something like that. So pretty much I waited around for nothing, and now we haven't even watched a movie and it's like 9:20. So I've still got to have dinner and then we're going to watch a movie. Yeah, it's going to be a late night, I reckon. So we went to the shops just before and now we're about to watch a film. I think we're going to watch Flight. At least I've seen it and it was a really great film, but Brandon hasn't seen it and we think he'll like it, so it should be good. This little guy just got home and he's about to go to bed. It's his last night's sleep in here. He looks shocked. Your mum's coming with a bottle. I love you, buddy, and hope you have a good sleep. See you tomorrow. So it looks like it's bedtime for me too. I'm pretty tired. I don't know why today was so exhausting. It's pretty relaxed really, but it's left me feeling tired, so yeah, off to bed. Hope you guys are doing really well. Take care and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.